Dang. Jesus Christ, look at all this water. And imagine, all this water came in just today, and it's so full over here. I feel like as if it's it's like you can basically swim in here. That's the whole point. And it's like our house is like a little tiny island over here. I mean, so basically, just dirty ass water. And the reason why I'm recording this is because I want to share you my struggles I'm dealing with right now besides Corona. So, it's like the more I go here, the more I go here, the more deeper it becomes. So, damn. Right all the way over here. So, whew. This water is obviously an issue over here. And the reason why I'm not so wet is because I'm wearing gumboots. Gumboots on my feet. Hey, hit that splashing sound. And and the thing is, we had like the reason why it's very dark in here because we had to switch out the electricity because we were afraid that it might go out. So since my camera is bad, I'm gonna leave since it's much brighter outside. But I'm afraid this is what I can show you for now, since we're still dealing with the situation.